Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here. So today we're going to be taking a look at a wheel cleaner. We're going to be taking a look at Ethos Car Care Wheel Cleaner Plus. This is, they call it their high performance wheel cleaner. Tim sent this over to me to kind of test out and see how it works out for me. I actually changed the sprayer to a Total sprayer because the sprayer that came with it looked kind of cheap. It's not one of the best ones. Pretty straightforward when using this because I actually use this on the back wheel already, kind of just to test it out. But this does have the iron remover capability. It actually doesn't smell bad. I forget the scent of this one, but here's the directions here. You're going to spray it, leave it on a cool dry wheel finish, let the product dwell on the surface for 2 to 5 minutes or until it changes color completely. Use a soft wheel cleaning brush or wash mitt to clean the surface of the wheel. Rinse the wheel clean and enjoy the results. For best results, unintended for use on tires, instead use Total Tire Cleaner. I'm testing out a tire coating from another brand, so I'm not going to be doing it to clean tires. Okay, rinse the product. Okay, reapply it. Okay, and yeah, so it is a low odor formula is what it states on the bottle. So again, I changed it out. Here's the wheel. I have not washed my Grand Prix in like weeks, and you can see how much dirt and grime is on there. It's been raining so much, I just like, you know what, I just left it. So here's some more dirt on here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this on here. And it's like a gel-like consistency. And you want to just get a nice coat on the surface, and I'm going to spray it on the inner wheels, inner portion here. And I'm just going to let it do its thing for a couple minutes. I'm just going to let this kind of just start dissolving the material. It is going to turn red or purple. You can actually already see it starting to activate there. And you can see it as soon as it's kind of dark back there, but the rotor's already got on turning purple. Down here it's already turning purple. We're just going to let this dwell for a couple minutes, kind of just see what it does. But you can see it's activating or reacting to any ferrous material, because again, I haven't washed the car in a couple of weeks, probably like 3 weeks. It's the longest I've let this car get dirty on here. I've been focused on some other stuff, so again, I'm not going to be using it to clean tires, but you know what, let's just give it a shot, because I'm just going to rinse this off. I'm not really, because it has a tire coating on there, I'm not too concerned about doing any sort of tire cleaning on there. So I'll tell you what, it doesn't smell bad. It actually smells pretty good. So it's not offensive to your nose. So again, take a look at it again. I'm just using the Total spray. You can see it did pretty good to kind of get this. It actually did really good to spray the product on there, and it's starting to activate. We'll just let it sit, do its thing, and then in the bucket, actually I'm going to blast this off. I'm going to respray it on there because we'll see how it works just using it as a wheel cleaner, because I was actually testing out a rinseless wash from another brand that they're working on getting it released somewhat soon, so they're looking for my feedback on it, so we're doing that. Also, you can actually see it's just continuing to eat away at that ferrous material. I know people are going to ask me how does this compare to the Armor Detail Supply wheel cleaner, which I think is fantastic as well. I think they're both good. I think you can flip a coin and you'll be fine with either one. I think from a gallon perspective, I don't know how much this one costs. I'll have to look at it, but I think the fact that I can dilute the Armor Detail Supply one makes it a better buy. Alright, so I think I'm just going to blast this off. And I'm just using the hose for this. So I'm just using the hose with the Ely nozzle. And we're just going to blast this off and see what it looks like. Okay. So you can see the wheels cleaned fairly well. There's still a little bit of dirt on the surface. Again, for a contactless option, it did a great job. You can see the coating is still doing its thing, or whatever topper. I don't even know what topper I used last time. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray this again. And we're going to use this as a cleaner. Actually, let me just go ahead and scrub this tire down real quick. So I'm going to grab a brush. Let me squeeze out some of the solution out of here. So this is just a regular wibbly brush. I'm just going to use this, kind of just do its thing to agitate the wheel cleaner. Got some caked on business back there. Squeeze out some of this excess rinseless in here. From the mitt, so that I don't have too much solution on there. And I'll tell you what, this wheel cleaner does have very good lubrication. My mitt's just gliding effortlessly, and you can see there's still dirt on the, or ferrous material, because it's still activating as I'm pushing the dirt or wiping up the dirt. The last brush is for the lug nuts. Get the corners. Did a good job to get the dirt out of the bake in the corners that where it was sitting. So get the caliper as much as I can. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blast this off one more time. Adjust the nozzle tip here. Definitely go check out Josh V's video. He did a fantastic video on the Ely hose nozzle you guys always ask me about. I've been using it for years, so that's pretty much it. I mean, you can see there's a little more dirt on here. My actual wheel coating's starting to lose its hydrophobics on the face. It's been on there for a few years already, I think 3 or 4. This one has, I don't remember if this has the Adams regular graphene or the advanced one, but the wheels are clean. You can see I'm picking up no dirt on the glove. So overall, what I think about this, I think it works great. I think it did a good job. You saw it react to the ferrous material on there. It doesn't smell bad. It has good lubrication when you come back and clean up the wheel. I wanted to try both a contactless wash with it, and kind of just soaking in it, letting it break down the dirt and grime that's in there and any ferrous material. Then I came back with it again, and I used it as a cleaner with my wash mitts and my brushes here to kind of see what it does. And it worked out really well. Again, the low odor helps really as well, because it doesn't smell back here as I'm spraying it. And again, I'm just going to dry this off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and top it off with Ceramic Refresh 2.0. We'll try this out. So I'm going to get the Ego blower, dry this out, and I'll show you how this works. I'm going to just do one whole video with Ceramic Refresh on here. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because I'll be right back with Ceramic Refresh. Alright, so I'm back. I want to give you guys another look after using the Ethos Wheel Cleaner Plus. That's how much I used, but I used it on 2 wheels so far. I think depending on how dirty your wheels are, you don't need to use that much. These were a little dirtier, so I gave 2 rounds to this one. The other one in the back, I just did 1. But you can actually see The wheel is very clean at this point. It's dried off, and so at this point you're like, okay, what would you do next to top it off? Normally I don't top off my wheels I just do it every so often. I'm going to use the Ethos Ceramic Refresh 2.0. It says it's an SiO2 infused spray sealant, and let's see, sprayable ceramic coating that repels dirt, grime, and water, refreshes and reloads ceramic coated surfaces, instantly adds incredible gloss, shine, and slickness, strong ceramic protection lasting 6+ months. And directions: working one panel at a time, lightly mist ceramic refresh onto a clean and prepared surface or ceramic coating. A little goes a long way, and then you kind of just wipe it in, wipe it off. Pretty straightforward application. You can use it as a standalone sealant or a coating topper. In this instance, I'm going to be using it as a coating topper. I actually did apply it to the to this fender here and on the hood as well. But I'm going to just go ahead and spray this on. Spray some in the inner barrel there. I'll just take my towel. And if there's a little bit of water still left over because I didn't dry it completely, that's okay. It's not the end of the world. Okay, so I'm just going to take this towel and stuff it in here. Let me switch hands. And what I'll do is I'll come back with a secondary towel and I'll just wipe it, and you'll feel it instantly change the surface tension and it will become slick. Let's go ahead and knock this down. And the only reason I'm coming back with a secondary towel is just to make sure I don't have any high spots with it. But that's pretty much it for Ceramic Refresh 2.0. When I spray my wheels, I don't come back on the inner barrel with a secondary towel. I just leave it. I don't care if it leaves high spots back there. Nobody's going to see it. So I just leave it on there. Not a big deal if you're doing that. So that's the Ceramic Refresh 2.0. If you guys are interested in trying this, I will post a link to it as well. Again, I used it as a maintenance topper on the fender here and on the hood here, so it does leave some real nice gloss. You're kind of just trying this out. So that's the Ceramic Refresh 2.0, and that's also the Ethos Car Care Wheel Cleaner Plus, which is a real nice wheel cleaner. So both of these products so far work really well. I'll check out the hydrophobics at another time for Ceramic Refresh 2.0, but at least the application's pretty straightforward, and the gloss looks really good for that product. So again, thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, go ahead and post down below. Again, thanks for watching. Take care.